arriving. May I request all the delegates to rise on our feet and welcome them. Okay, Yari Katong na pamise.
Hello. Hello. Sorry for the inconvenience. And seeking your pardon, we would like those of us who are to take part in this program to come forward and be seated in the dais. Thank you.
76 Naga Independence Day li Sharuking Ram Kawai Kata Kanai Wena Razang Haida Klaya Katana Kashura Saiko Ruli Achu Hoskala Organizing Committee we Matun Sada Natumli Ringapa Shalom Kami Kala Welcome Sadale Itumi Yurjat Kadela Marum Haugada Dui he Akamang Machila Ka Ading Adeda Switch Talaga Shichingi Gaji Layaira Inconvenience Lays Allah Piomulo Kayitum Gadonga Akame Gajiluli Pabdang Roglaga Brograngi Matang Ngakui Kavai Sase Gaji Remetui the Bokangaina. A very good morning to one and all. I, on behalf of the organizing committee, would like to express a heartfelt gratitude and extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries, distinguished guests, and delegates from different places coming from near and far distance to commemorate the 76th year of the Naga Declaration of Independence in solidarity. To begin with, for the blessing for all of us and to grace the program and seek God's guidance over the program, may I request Reverend Jasimar Rungsung, Pastor Thundri Baptist Church, to say the invocation.
Sehasase Kasingamla Ogathila Kasema Itum Psychotowi Kasak Vava Vibra Naming Singda No illumination Kami Pangkongli So Kami Poki Kwai Chandra Dali 1947 Singkumli 14 August he Nakanao Miyurping Wang Ningkan Sampang Haire the Waushok Mikaya Singkumni Indiana Kalogathina Nakao Ningkan he Mamachut Saijala Achi Nakalim Leokti the Kalaya Itum Saiko Runa Ring Palakina Mayondali 14 August 2022 76 Kakashunga Nitrehi designated places mang limaningla Yaruina Kachipung Paya Apam Kachung Kali Achi Kasip Kangrum Tada Ring Palakina Itum Singada Nali Masot Midalaye Tanku Singtun area li Leda Kalaya Kala Bumai Winalapai Foothills area Winalapai Kala Miyur Mizat Kangatela Zanglaga Setigelna Sansana Organizalaga Sinagatea Pamili Hos Sadakalini Sinagatina Rumi the Kalini Ichumi Kiashikapaya VSATM Lieutenant General Retired VC Member Collective Leadership Ichumi Masoa Samida Pilan Kankami Vai Kangran Sapingaide Pilan Yazingli Yui Kathana Kiakazanda Ram Yaunga Churches being with Pastor Tikan Hanga Unabing Society with Katana Bing Kala upon a thing Thada Kasip Murumda program his Singakavai Kangaran Sairi Ijumi Masoli kala guest of honor ni Reverend Somilo program than mi de khalaya anili la Reverend Somilo kala apong ting tata shirokui khawai last second la nali masot mi khawai ngaranai de khle kala yang talaga shooting in kasip ta khalaya yari ga tong hilila Reverend nana Somilo 이종의 프로그램 히 하우가 포개는 틀려가 그 꾸버 바숑다 진리 가이지나 뭐 율밀로 합건호가 바이 시펀징롯 kalasa tsai korina makan milo mikumoli khang gawi masot kami program mang sang sak mila brevra nu ning tek mateng sak milo kalai tu misa ga sa pronan shamilo sai korhi ijom sai korwi wang krus tungli timida ring lei gaya noi naw mera kamangja Jesus Christ we mixing the sagasani. Amen.
Thank you, Reverend Jesse Ma Rungsung, Pastor Tantri Baptist Church, for bestowing us with the endowed grace of our God. Now, moving forward, we will have hoisting of the national flag by our respected chief guest, Lieutenant General Retired V.S. Satem, Member Collective Leadership. Now we shall all rise and be attention for the anthem as our chief guests come to hoist the flag. Let us all be seated. Thank you. Indeed grateful, Lieutenant General retired V.S. Satem, member collective leadership. We shall now have a commemoration of the martyrs, a silent prayer which is to be led by Reverend Ngamrai Hongyo, Pastor Senakati Baptist Church.
In the Kapara in a hider, Tongza Kanga Kui in a Kupaire, Kala Shitkasangji in a Mayon hider. I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Itumwi, Yurwi, Raimi, Sanda Makakui, Sinau, Mianau, Katana, Kasura, Kuhung, Ramung, Kachida, Yurwi, Malay, Hiwibang, Mangla, Chikat, Mihai the Klene. Asi, Tami Hai the Klene, Atumna, Itum Wibang, Atumwe, Mirin, Rai Kangar, Marar Kupaire, Atum Wibangva, Atumnava, Saran, Yongran, Mararan, Marar Hider, Kulavre Rally, Shitkasanga, Mirinchi, Karing Mangaina, Itum Azu, Higatar in the Pa, Itum Independence Day, Mion the Klene, Itum Gatongana, Maningada. 1 minute silent prayer in honor of national martyrs to be held. So we are all stand up and remember just for a minute for the martyrs of our Naga soldiers. Kajingram ngalay kasak bari ra nana lum shanmida naga we kapak matha akhalamlay samrer naga we sasa pangsapki kamlay samrer ka naga we wang prohori ra nana nganing mi we mangaina naga we wang nana ngaral khami mangaina naga we wang prohori ra nana chikat khami mangaina aju jingum hangsinit truk Kagashung Republic Independence Day. Naga Pum Kachivili Myondale, he Kyu Chimixone, he prohori running Kanwi Chimixone, Itum we Malay Hivang, Yur Hivang, Mangla Chikat Mikaya, Ashita Mikaya Tum Saikorali Tum the Salut Satale, Itum the Masot Ningsi Kyaksi Pongshokale, prohori Bratum Mangaina, Raihi Itum the Vilakre. Atumi mangla na wili ching riaina na sam kwe na salak kaire na wi mingli ching riaina atum itumli sandale atum bi mangla linin somilo no tha khaya atum bi spray na rasim khulping sai kor aju higtha atam hili atum li pangsa byang thrang rum sang milo kala atum wi ringwa ge thlai mirin na avu awa samida atum marana bahong na usada mok thui lagarno jisu christ wi Sok michi tasung mi salo de Ram mangla chikat mi khaya Kala asita mi khaya saikori simkhur ne phang gwi milo nana mayon mi nana ngak mi nana shirin milo Tai hai dak lay thong mi ot manga mak kupi kupsang khabai Naga yur wi kharara awa khran thuida Awa jingli ot sak sagrum dak lay saikor Kala naga public saikor khok khayang sada prohore rai thum wi atazan Washington Somilo de Jesu Christo we Ming-sung the Shakstane. Amen.
Alright, Zakmai Kachite, Kala Sankabang to Ihi, Itumwe Kayashilubaya, Kayasing Maza, President Sansawe, Nanganumra, China President Adam Kimilo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Sir Lieutenant General Retired V.S. Adam VC, Member Collective Leadership, and his beloved wife, Pamyo Vushum. Our special guest, Reverend Major General Retired Soni Kavi, Member Collective Member, and his beloved wife, Loniru Kavi. Team from all the way from Hebron, Zonal President, Subzone, Village, Headman, and Chairman, Pastor, and all the leaders present here. I, on behalf of the organizing committee, would like to acknowledge all of you for your relentless effort to be a part of this very historical program. And we owe unto you the sacrificial time that you dedicate for the cause of our nation. And as a token of our love and support and your service, we would like to give a small token of love from our organizing team. So firstly, I request Lieutenant General Retired V.S. Adam, VC Member Collective Leadership, to kindly receive our love and appreciation. Secondly, I would like to call upon Ms. Pamyo Vushum. Thirdly, I would like to call upon our special guest, Major General Retired Kavi Soni, Member Collective Membership. Followed by Loniru Kavi. Major General Retired Ramgathing Vasa VC, Steering Executive Member, Convener Elder Forum WDR. Brigadier Retired Roung Raikhan, Steering Executive Member. Mingyao Shengcham, Steering Member. Imbison Kilonser Art and Culture. Brigadier Ningshok Kashung MM. Major Retired Clifford Secretary NPI. Major General Eliza MC MSM. Lieutenant Colonel Thot Ngaleng. And lastly, but not least, I would like to call upon Madam Apem, wife of Ramkathing Vara. And to all the national workers present here, can you please rise from your seat? National worker. Shall we give a big round of applause for them? After that, I would like to call upon, yes, please be seated. After that, I would like to call upon Tangkur Naga Singdun Longpang Chairman, Ramyo Ongkang, followed by Chilivai Student Union Preston, Sakormang area Nagalong Preston, Temyo. Tangkur Naga Foothill Organization Preston, Turner Rahim. And we would also like to introduce our special invitee for today's event, Chilivai Naga Women Union President, Dina. Tangkur Gatam Naulong President, Than Singh. Chena hiling soda itum presentation katong limang ran mirror to rekat halala razang da klaya president we aming jaw mega pasok miawge mashung mi jingkhai kathor katam naulong president ana klaya apamin akshi dang ninga miolo. And then Sakromang area Naga Shinaulong president Paimi Rahing, Dr. Yeron Songalung, ex-ADC chairman, Kapangbam Simik, ex-ADC, followed by Twing Han Pairim, Joseph Keshing, retired commandant, CRPF. Jena itumda Kayashing yi plungi color itum program here ka sakta organize sadak le hile sakla ke itumli ngachon milaga khlailan gadong chikat milaga ngachon mi ghai ram hiwi headman kenan Sinagthei headman Kenan, followed by Phungmi Zimik chairman Sinagthei. Jena Mungnau Anggang president Sinagthei. Jena Ku win razang da klaya ku wi aunga or chairman na atumi klay bam jina akshida nganinga milujo. Pastor or associate pastor rather clipping na kang nganinga milo. Shinao long president unit we ram we shinao long president. Katam now long president unit winner rather like katam now long president katongli organizing committee sansa kala singdun tangkro katam now long win but tunaina na thumwi atam kala man kasak kya khalailala hidata ithumli rang rumida support samida khlajivang organizing committee wivangina ningshi kachunga phongshok tale ithumwi program hili inconvenience kachunga lai salala ithum khangrum laga mapung phalaga na program mi yon khise kaji khanawa sa da hyang ngai ne ningshi lagai re
Panglan Mathangli Chingai Village Council na rakhui miranu Chingai Village Council mathang da Khongdei villages na noi das the election view Mathangli yari phiok mi mangai na ara ho sami da khlai kachang phungmi chairman Sinagathai village li chikami dalai Mathangli Chingai Village Council to be followed by Khongdei villages
khasik paya ithumui amaikra ocha timli Chingai Village Council na panglanau hi ktiaw mi ngai dale kusokhui milu nislagra
Mathangli host sami da khlai Sinagathai village chairman Oja Kachang Phumi na khwimirano
Ahan mamaktada isorgi bingda takachaba ucheri 76 Naga Independence Day celebration Sinagathai gi damakta lengbira iba nokhoi mayamgi marakta ahan maktada kun asigi ningthau oibiriba Kenan Zimik Mahaki collection Sinagathai chairman ki collection aduga Sinagathai ki Baptist Church ki pastor ani tikan aduga Sinagathai katamnau long youth club Sinagathai women society makhoi mayam asina angasi 76 Naga Independence Day celebration gi damakta thoraga masi pangthoktabe ade haina Sansa Sports Authority amasung ZTNL gi committee singna loina national workers ki advice tigi akoi ngasi pangthogiba saruk phambagi damakta yamna isorbo thakatba ucheri ahan mamaktada akoi ikai khomnaba yaraba koigi general lieutenant general retired VS Atem VC member collective leadership amasung mahaki loinabi bema magi mamidi khangja hautre adubo mapani bursu khunasi gi taraptegi ikai khumnaba ucheri mathangda Major General retired Sony member collective leadership mahaka loinabi magi bemaga khun asigi mayamna ikaiba nolupa uchari loinamak asi ngasigi 76 Naka Independence Day asigi damakta thorang piriba Sargomang Sports Association gi executive sing amasung JTL gi leadership na sanagathel asida nakhoi gi angam badu mateng pibire harka khoi sida pangthojege haibagi damakta ekhoi lepani adu matang chada ba haidi kitang thuman khiba matam do khoitang khoyo ba haibdi yamna limited oiba matam oibadegi akhoi na apamba amasung mayamna pen ke daba saruk sing se akhoi pangthopa ngam jahode adubu akhoi yariba makai masi pangthona ba hona basida awada pa kyamu legini mayamna ngakpi gini haina khalli adu sanagathel yauna hujiki akhoi gi mayamna participate toriba asida masing si haipet lising ani gi mayada leye sanagathel hujik ayamba chak chadri moi kya chak dabra khangde adu lising ani gi mathak di lekhre khoi aduga akhona hujik marugoiba asida pangthoba ngambase akhoi gi ikai khumnabda matik charaba akhoi di sar ramgathing harga dum khangne mahaki nubisu yauri naibersu oi yamnora Sakolmang area gi sports association gi campus ne su thengna pi manbar gi damata akhoi makhoi yauna akhoi si sorry haninge maramdi matam chadana akhoi celebration asi losan mani adona masi kana kana ko bana yumda chalabasu sanagathena tawriba kholibashi yamwale kholi habisi habigene habisu hajaninge akhoi huji celebration asigi damakta lapiriba nakhoi loinamakpu sanagathenggi mahutegi yamna nungaire habisi hanjana haringe ai tangkhlonda khra sandajige aji sanagathi li 76 kagusunga Naka Independence Day we celebration li sanagathi chumno chungana itumui khoi kasa kala khawa thelaga tolop chada khlepi lameda tadang thu paide khle sumkhul ping tong li itum na chamalaga itum sak shapui kala unsung ga pai we ki khasambhaw da itum trakarin phai da hangai itum na mi abawali mahanglala ramna mamani la ayawi mi chung khanala ralaka itum le ka tong khami chwe wang la ningsi ye amuk ka hana ngasigi function asida lengpiraiba different district different state ki laiba participant masing kaya no habiti chap chabari kham jahaude adubu khun asina arab padegi laiba chati pichati khaidana nakhoina lam tu asida 76 Naka Independence Day gi celebration asida lapi bagi damakta yam harawi habisi anjindasu phongtok sani aduga mathangda isorna nakhoibu nakhoigi hujik khunasi han gharba matam dasu isorna lamchingba oisanu isa gi yumda ningthi noina amasung yugi misingbu unaraga isorbu thakatpa haido thenasunu haina bo bijabani ramnapi ari hangda khleya ngachaili senagi thena mang maningla ayawe miping kichiba ayawe khun ateinasu senagi thelgi function asida mating piningi acha thangdi khangde iron bani khangde jamput ni khangde sanaka thian si le ramoi habe kita makta kun ahum habe de morowaina tungo village sarar khong village Twinem village mokoi kun ahum sina vegetable amasung nakhoina huzik iron bagi mathen chaba phangbodo mokoi kun ahum digi matengna pibigi damakta chaba phangbani habise amohana haini eram nauli hangai ari eram no hili sadakhle vadakhle hiwing chaili ada katam naulong women society youth chilala khoda CYS kala tang we mi ning ping dalagana kharano sa sak the ping langmeda phan chatham hang the ping pareno sang chung khana achiwi function hili wata sa khami we ba matai be de nishi gi he lalu da hangaye khanawa sa da ari khasi ka pa ya ithumi General Retire VS Atem Kala Bravely isi khuna thala panglan no tiao kha ka mi ngai chawda ari he isi au nga we pangli General Lieutenant General Retire Oja Atem dan ka khui mi lak lo Clearly, Mrs. Lieutenant General Retire V.S. Atemui Prevo Mamatala Lahi Tada Ramnona Leside Combineda Quibilo Dictionary Adi Subada Major General Retired Sunni Member Collective Leadership Maga Luenabi Major General Retired Sunni Gi Ibema Harkamati Charva Ibemanico Yam no are I Saruk Asidalo Shinjari. Thank you so much.
Presentation Mathang the Kongtai villages ki representative Amana Dai selection biraga matam lobiyo
I, on behalf of the Khungde villagers, that is Khungde Khaman, Khungde Simpung, and Khungde Ngower, would like to present a small gift to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri V.S. Atem VC, Lieutenant General Retired Member Collective Leadership, and his mistress. May you please stand on your feet and receive the small gift and a piece of momentum. And secondly, to our special guest of today's, Major General Retired Kebesuna MC, Member Collective Leadership, and his mistress. May you please stand on the feet and receive the small token of love as a token of love and gratitude and a piece of momentum. All everyone who are here, you are all to be honored and respectable. But for today, we shall end up our gift with this. Thank you so much.
Nishiaire presentation wivang atam kui mika hai na tumli ara matang we program li itum special number nganangram khwai sara chin special number wivang MOC Shimreli stage middle. Now we shall hear a special number from MOC Shimreli. May I request the concerned to share the stage. Check.
Check. Check. Lahi late Major General Nating Kui Ahona Kagapi Ninkan Rigzang Wilane. Ngơ shan bơ mơ cơ trao ngơ hong hi wi y mình mơ thấy khá rơ cơ cho ngơ sam cơ vai mơ sam cơ băng rơm cơ giật y wi shong phu li ô lê cơ shi dân đơ ngỡ mi u ra shực xa quy lưu ý râm nào bì a chư ngây ya shi mu ngu sa ô lê gơ shi ý râm chi li gơ thả ram ý chu ngaya bong ga kese ikhe ngai nga hey reng mura
Aya kata
the fully the sampung ma ong shung ran la ole ge shi
Olay kashi
iram chili
Iram chili
tarani ong shung ni do
Shungido
jam rini
Orjam rini
shimri ge hai
Shimri gahai
sam ke vai
Sam kavai
iwi ram le
Avuram li
khung na lim.
Now we shall proceed with short speeches as followed. Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longpang, Chelawai Students Union Body, Senel, and Tangkhul Naga Foothill Organization.
Everyone, Kia Sikhiya, Aju 76, Naga Independence Day celebration at Chinagiti Village Way, Muso, Lieutenant General, Retired Service Atem, VC, members of collective leadership. Musoli Ngshunda, Kalaya Kia Sikhiya, Major General Retired Sir Suni, member of collective leadership. Long Meda, Musoli Ngira de Kalaya, Uri Katana, Kishura Saigora. Sansawi President, Kia Sikhiya, Kia Singh, Maja, Kala Executive Wing. JT Galway President, B.A. Ibjan, Kala Executive Wing. Jilivai Naga Union, Senel Kala Tangkhul Naga Foothill Organization with President, Executive Wing. Sinaite we Aunga German Kala Hangbu, Pungwa Ping. Sinaite Youth Club with President, Kala Executive Wing. Sino Long Chairperson, Kala Executive Wing. Long with the Sinaite Baptist Church with Pastor, Kala Tikan Ping, Tikanas Ping. CYS Chairman, Kala Executive Ping. Senel Kala Daniel DNZ Elway Liam Lee, Kala Aung Ping, Chairman Ping, Kala Hangbu, Pungwa Ping, Pastor Kala Tikan Ping, Ojang Raping, Colonel Avava, Ngara, Yaron Ngala Kala, Hilirak Jita Klaya, Sai Kurli, Christawi Mingli, Legacy Kala, Ringpawi Salam Sadale, Notum Sakurli Varena Sokming Sarno. Itum Naga Yuna, Yenowi Mangali, Pumli, 14 August 1947 Thung, Independence Day, Votungwi Aina Aju Rashunda, Aju 14 August Hili, Yuna Sector, Quilaka, Whatsa the Clay, he, Tailaka, Itum Sai Goning Paye. 1964 ceasefire Quiralaka. 1967 ceasefire Kaigahai. 1975 Shillong Accord Kishaw. 1987 NSN split Kasa. Kala Indian Army Li Rai Kangarer. Hiwi Kichoti Kapai Cruz Maningmane. Mupaning Wang Imane. Chorlak Kahine. Ka 1994 li NSN IM na Anbole Amming Changakwi 1997 li ceasefire Kwikra Kala 2015 li framework agreement Choikasa Hiwi Manga Aina Yurhina Ara final agreement Kwirak by Tada Kalehi Teleka. Yori Gatong and a Rimpaye. Jita the Sada. Ara Yuri Songja he. Jordan Paley. Kuya Kungi the Ranganingai Gitane. Verena John me Kawai. Hilira the Kale itum sai Gorna Sanglak Ena Ning Teda. Gala Tuglak Ena Saya Sasserse Kaji Hanglaka. No tum sai Gole Nislakare Kugnalim.
A very good afternoon. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for granting us to celebrate the 76th Naga Independence. Respected Chief Guest, Lieutenant General Rita V.S. Atem, VC, Member Collective Leadership, Guest of Honor, Major General Rita Sunu, Members Collective Leadership, Sansai, ZTKL, TNZL, SANAL, TNFO, ex-MLAs, ex-ADCs, various organization leaders, church leaders, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Today, 14/8/2022, is the 76th occasion of declaring Naga independence. And on this most auspicious day, I, as Losher President Pumai Naga Tsidamai Chilivai, would like to address few words on behalf of the Chilivai Naga Union. On this historic day, the 14th August 1947, our pioneering leaders proclaimed the historical and political rights and took a joint step to declare our freedom and independence to the world. Today, we must give thanks to our Almighty God for His guidance, protection, and sustaining throughout our struggle. The Naga nationalism and political activities started with the formations of the Naga Club in 1918 by the returnees Labor Corps of the World War I. This subsequently led to the submissions of memorandum to the British Statutory Commission in 1929. The silence of the British and its subsequent act greatly determined the future of the Nagas, which ultimately led to the formations of the Naga National Council in 1946. In due course of time, we have seen numerous agreements signed, many rounds of meetings, talks held at different levels, which proved futile, realizing its failure. India resorted to the policy of might is right by employing brute military force to subjugate the Nagas. The infamous AFSPA Armed Forces Special Powers Act, DAA Data Access Arrangement in Nagas inhabited areas, unlawful raids, detentions, killing of civilians, rapes, burning of granaries, etc. The first ceasefire agreement was signed on September 6, 1964 to pave the way for peace. The framework agreement was signed between the Government of India and the National Socialist Council of Nagaland on 3rd August 2015 as an honorable solution. It is a matter of great satisfaction that dialogue between the government of India and the NSC IM has successfully concluded, and we are confident it will provide for an enduring, inclusive new relationship of peaceful coexistence of the two entities. As we celebrate this very special day, let us remember and pay homage to the pioneers and fallen national heroes of the Naga movement for their selfless sacrifices and contribution to the cause of the Nagas. The remarkable display of our unity and determination for peaceful settlement of the Indo-Naga political problem. In the recently held Naga Solidarity Walk under the aegis of Global Naga Forum is truly inspiring. Dear brothers and sisters, let us continue to nurture our spirit of unity and oneness and through a mass movement. Let us collectively strive to bring our struggle to fruition. Once again, I thank the organizers and host village for organizing the 76th Naga Independence Day. Kutnalim.
Ningi situi kala khaya gi situi ka chung ka hang hai ri ningi situi hang se chiga tamara wa ki jai ri thuma tam hi chewang na ri makeup ta I thumwe yu ning khan sam mangda jingkum hang shini da truk ka shung ga hai ya ning khan chimi sho muyon da khleya ya shi ga pa ya I thumwe so kala achon jelang da special case sada khung ithumui shimkhuri tamai na hangka maphamare chena ithumui sarsana da aming panau ke kalawe madam langmaida achu ithumui masoli nguyurung da khle yuri ka thanbing yuri now stopping kala parties kalau salah kay na hi de ina mapan lui kay ka ratsang khaya lungnau ka jiwi ka thanabing church we pastor deacon bing lang mai da ram hiwi ramunga kala hangwa bing ram hiwi chairman kala ali ngayon da wasak rum da klia we bing ram hiwi yau kuhuma server bing kala ram hiwi society ke jiwi kathana ke shura bing ram hiwi intellectual person bing apam hili ina sokhamang area naka longwe thun sada na thum sai koroli ningishimi dale hikitha longnao akwa longli sadakhle wat manga sai korowang langmaida achu hili matala gainam ithumli mokhok mida wat sadakhle sansa kala jigel na thum sai koroli la ningshi chungkhmi dale jimang muningla hikatha atam yarui mangali sambang khangasaka ithumui kasa akhwali matai mida ningshi Sokamang area nakalongwi mathunina natum sai koroli ni silak khaire gi ji chipun li sitilai kala hili ungnau ga chungkhal ra sang haire si sokamang wi ungnau bingla jington longphangwi ungnau bingla ra chang sar haire natum sai koroli la ningshi salam salu sitalele ithumui mangali matui khmi mi ping na ga chungkhal matui haire in the matui ngai pawang Naga movement how go pugli shorkamang hikli le sakla gaji ishawo ngaraping kharnau pingli kharchan sa wa maman laka achu hi hikatha kharchan phaise je kamukup mare phaile lambakan mare kha กระเตียวขมังตัดที่นะกี่ก็จิตให้ไฟสระอายาชลขมังอิเดียนักลงนะนักวิคุ้งบิงนะยูวิมชุนไรวิวังไงนะอาทุมลีวัสกรุมีกหายอาทุมลีทุ่มมีกหายยังกิสิบิงวิอลุงทุ่มมีกหายพาวิมีกหายก็ละอิริยาหิวิยาคุกะลาคุกเวแก่ขยูวิมชุนไรมีวิวังไงนะมังลาจิกัดมีกหายแก่ขเลยไปเล่นลำกันมาเลยอามิงไงนะสิงคำกันมาเลยข้าจูฮิกท่าโซลขมังอิริยาวิอลุงลีฟังก์ชันฮิคุยก้าวกิดยารุยมังอาลีโซลขมังน่ะอายะก็เลยเลยซายูรุยแอคทิวิตี้สลีโซลขมังฮิคิวาซาซากิจิก็เที่ยวขันทุนดีจีหังสังขไงนี่อาจูน่าชงดังโซลขมังวิท่านนับบิงยูรุยอลุงลีวัสกรมตะเคลบิงก็ละโซลขมังวิมายังลาบิงอาจูละยูวิมชุนไรวิวังครลีพิจารณาอาจูฮิกิตาจิงคุม76กาชงขายจิมิโชสังกับพังไงนะโชคมังลีเลยตะคลียาอวาวังราบิงนะนุทุมไซโกรุลีนิ่งชิให้เร่กจิจิสลามจิพุนเดเลยหลังไม่ได้อาจูอวาครนะท่านละกาอเวอาจิงลีวัสกรุมตะคลียา collective leader บิงไซโกรุลีลำโชคมังอิริยาลีเลยเด็กเลยคู่งวยครนาวปิงฮังวงนาวปิงนะฮิกท่าอัตมสมบังดานิชิลักใครเลยมาชนกันละนิ่งขันอาจูมาสมบังไปมาเด็กเลยจีคุยพลุงเรื่องจีฮีอิริยาฮิวีรำนาวปิงวีเสียกษานฮิวิงใจลีอาจูราชงดาอิทุมวยครนาวเกียงขละอิริยาวิวังเงินวัดสัตเลยก็เลยยูรุวังเงินวัดสัตเลยรำนาวกระทันบิงเกียงขมักพาจะก็ยุยกันชิบิงวีปังผู้ชายเลยก็เชื่อชูเลยก็มีรินจิกัดก็ให้เลยอะไรเลยเชื่อชูเลยก็ปุ่มตะเคลียมีก็จุงเคลียครนาวบิงแต่อีทุ่มชิสงเงทั้งคำว่าทั้งคำว่าอีทุ่มจินมาเลเซียให้เลยก็ริงก็พานิ่งคันริงกับพาจากไม้กะทิสมบังหลักเรื่องจีฮีโชคมังอิเดียวีมีพิงวีชิกกสังเนี่ยคราวบิงลีงยุดดารุยละยาคุกะลาคุกวักยาค่ะยูริวังไงนะวัสกรุมเดลัยอามินมาปนมาเรปนหาสิจ่าอัตมาราบะโฮเรเจนะแล้วทำสายโกรุลิละสลามซาเดลัยจึงกุมหังชินีเดตรุกกาชงกะไฮยะนิ่งคันวังชุบมีไฮละก็ตะกี้ซาดีทุมาจุดจิงเฮากะเลกจีฮีอินะอีวีโปรแกรมจีอิชิเซเนอร์เซนซาวบริสิเดนโอจานัลละก็ชุกะมาตุยมีขวายก็ชุกะหังมีขวายจีอีพนิงอีขีมาตุยรักเลมาเทมเนี่ยอาคันมาเทมเนี่ยวะเคยนะพนิงนิ่งละก็ตะท่าคำอาจูอิชินังกันนะจัดตะเคลชงจ้าจีขีกละจงที่อีขลัดนั่นมาชุกละก็อีนะเทก็คุยกับเตี้ยขจีอารุยฮิกท่าอัตมจิเลละก็อินเดทัดหังชงไงจึงก็หังชินิดตรุกกาชงกะไฮยะนักเอาอิมชุนคิดซาดยังเคยมีเฮาเลยก็เลยคิดซาดอาจุราชงดูอิทุมนี่เน่แต่มันมีขณะจีขี้กับปนเลยเฮากันละสักอีจีสาให้เลยงั้นจะกิจงั้นจะเลยอิทุมใช่แต่ขี้สาวกันละเด้ออินะอีขนาดเด้อขโมยจุกจิตรันอีวีกับพนิงลีคิราชงกลาจะก็ for Christ คิราชงเฮาอิ for Christ คริสต์วิงเลยคริสต์วิงเลยก็เจน่ะอาราอินะเที่ยวตุยกุบจิกจิกละก็จิตารันมาจุกเลยมาอีกแล้วมาขโมยจุกจิตารันยูโรนิงคันสมบังหวายอีทุ่งก็ตุ้งไอ้ฮัดก็จิบละก็ยังก็ชิบิงเวน่ะนิงคันสมบังกี่ก็จีฮีก็ลีเลยก็เลยจะก็ for Christ ลีเลยให้เรื่องก็จีอีกแล้วแต่มาจุกคุยอีวิขโมยจุกจิงวยก็ท้าลมเต็มเลยอีน่ะมาจุกคุยจีน่ะอีทุ่มวยตัวกุบคุยราไปมาเด็กเลยอีทุ่มวยมันมาชิดคุยไปมาเด็กเลยทั้งข้าอักขชกทั้งข้าอักขชกเด็กเลยก็เลยอีทุ่มวยน่ะอีทุ่มน่าว่า aching tang nei ina tung tang nei nava ili nga chan maye ina nali them maye nali ina mutoi them maye da khuingorok da khlai hi kachili wa her ta hogla ji tharan itum for Christ li fix sahere kachiji I hangai tu ko phi for Christ we kachili tu ko phi le haire phaning khuye ina Nagalim for Christ kichi kyuwangainam. Why the title of Nagalim for Christ is given to us? Itum ni kyuwangan Nagalim for Christ na mihawgla sa title baji. Nagalim for Christ title kamina achu itum kuchut ne. Tay na jihangay. Iwi ko paningli kyuwang jaka. Itum li naka ngalehi Kristo wi ngalay nga sangasak rada hangmi khaji naka maran kipana phungmida. Naka maran kipali hi naka ngalehi idwi yur ngasare iwi ngalay ngasare take kipana phumi hawgla kyuwangin taider hi khwi hawgla de ikhlatna machukla ka ikhlatna machuke ikhlatna mikhni salaka nghanne chitharan nagalen wi kala naka ngalay wi maran kipali ka naka ngalehi nagalen for Christ Kristo wi ungrum semkara da hang kami jim samne ka itu moina ngate hangana khalaya Hindu Sikh thermawi chatta khalaya Sadhu Sundar Singh na awilari kli paji tharan khi jaka very ra Sikh ngalai hila Christ for Sikh the ngalai akasim ka ngai gi tharan very ra na likhi hangla ja kha Sundar na Chuwang mapol. Na shavu ogli na limung ka. Ina Nagalim for Christ the tider mi haire. Nagalim ara for Christ ngalay kni masapay mare ta hangoda Sundar jili anaki sai. Ajo itum Nagalim for Christ the kamor mo to sir ila mo to ye. Ila sai ila I Nagalim for Christ we mean it down. Machuke. Kamachuk ji tharan ara khinglei khisa da le jaka itum chuking sei itum hi ka changkhan ning khan sang banga stage ling ningla jaka yu ka pning limang ning ranga tangai naka nglei Kristo we sare jaka ke chene dang da Kristo we saragla arui ra sang da klei itum sai korum chuking sei ka thana mai ke chene dang da for Christ wang saragla mi mang na for Christ wang saraga ke chipa chine for Christ mutsang maragla for Christ Nagaland ngalehi iwi ngalay semkare naka ngalehi li iwi ngalay semkara the rana rid lagena ngashit mi kahai chati shoda Jishu Krista praura the ma prachangkum sashni lang lelaka maikai maran azaya maranli huikamia Jishu Krista praura the ngashit mi khai thata naka hi Nagaland for Christ he iwi ngalay semkari iwi ungram semkara da ngashit ka hai hiwa longli itum hida da achu chatak leni hile thaka itum mikum itum mang na Nagaland for Christ habala le da khle hile ara naka tharina ki ka sa da khle koi marel ka le da khle hiwa longli phur da khle chingrong hi Nagaland for Christ khwa hile Nagaland for Christ Tinara hala Nagaland for Christ. Sayurva yula Nagaland for Christ. Teralinga rigizada kayor jila Nagaland for Christ. Panjata kale masjid jila Nagaland for Christ. Kecin Nagaland for Christ samsamaragla. Nagaland for Christ ungram semkara jaka cili leda kale ka to ngaji Nagaland for Christ. Mimang maning mani hila Nagaland for Christ ni. Arajile Nagalim for Christ ni. Tangay dum Nagalim for Christ wang raing rarza da kale hili itum chuwang mushun kiyang kale hayra kala da muchuk jing say. Ajo itum naka ka punghili Nagalim for Christ da wang hay laga vrivran ng shin mi khai jili ajo yung lo ram we nguhung kangay ting tu tek laga kiki ka sa da kale hi is it Nagalim for Christ? Hi Nagalim for Christ lang. Nguhung ay ko kay na Mina masak kenghiya, kalau mina masak kenghiya, mirilni, saya sekelaka mengelaka sedek lagi, is it Nagaland for Christ? hi Nagalim for Christ la chu wangan itu mui mushun chi itu mui nagan mushun ki ui ji itu mui li pandale yo angka khot gol ga answer ung tagi ji hi Nagalim for Christ wi answer mata rang itum chu wang sia sa se itum chu wang ukhnang se itu mui ngaleng atang se itu mui yurung atang se itu mui ngong khangai itu mui forester environment hi ngatang se hi tha ka itum ka jangkhat Nagalim for Christ ke chu step a ka khwere ge ji I winning li mu chuk khu ji na thum li ji hang sang ngai ni chaina itum ya atam tana khalam le thogi da tra khalam hang lui mare kha ina mapan ga bai ka teu kha awa khroi khrachan awa khrna dilili ho ka la ka khrachan sami khai ji yarui muthe mare kai kha there che I khrachan yang teu kha hau ke ili atam chi tharan isawa hi maran ne chainara ana marawen nau chi hokalo keja nakawi khrachan ka thagla ta khesau ga da ili hokai ana ili khrachan hangkhai chaina hi ta itumui mashun raiwang chikat me khai chaina Anili hang mi khai first aligaman he chadre the China ka shungi chi kha maka shung pai mada wat le haw da hanung sa khaw da hang khrachan chi second aligaman wang chungcha salaka ali vran chi the mi khai ngo hong khangai apam chi ara ithum sorkomang area nakalungwe executive sitting li hi yurwang fasting chimik show aka khuise da ngaran hai tale hi ungsung vai no thum thoklak ni sa samilo chi ungsung khwai ithum sa sami se atam ka chawewang ithum hya da masunda da khlaine khrachan chi nau da ithum jigatha program chi rasma ka ti te na maram hitai chi hangminaure ka ithum ina hang khai baba ithum na ring da khle hili Nagalim for Christ jaka itumwe pasarin la manglarin la leida kle ka tonga hi Nagalim for Christ wang ring khwai itum shichin se chat sai ge ji hanglang samau ge nishla khaire
At the very outset, as we all joined in commemorating the declaration of 76th Naga Independence Day, I, on my behalf and on behalf of Naga Foothills organization, I salute to all file and rank of our martyred Naga national workers. Ngasigi 76th Naga Independence Day, 14 August, Sigi, Chief Case Waibiriba, respectable Lieutenant General, retired V.S. Atem, member collective leadership, and his lady wife, special case Major General, retired Sunu, member collective leadership, and his lady wife, all files and ranks of Naga national workers, all dignitaries indicted, the organizing committee,
Sekolmang Area Naga Students Association, Tangkul Katamnau Jengtunt, Organizing Committee, the host, Sinagate Village, headman, chairman, village authority, youth leaders, women leaders, church leaders, and also coming from different parts of the area, the headman, chairman, village authority, ladies and gentlemen. Ngasi nungairaba asugma celebration panghanbiba kita makta ahan ba makta akoy gida makta madam kuting da nung sibidona yang laiba ipa isorbu takat jaba pongtok pa loinana mayamgi mamangda oi akoi si sabasu sabanena mayam nasu wana ramgani ado matam si yam laughre haibignu asugma tangja si pangbasi samaina pangingayda ay si matam si khara labu tare mayamna hangmina si haibasi ahanba makta mayamgi permission laujabani ngasi akoigi damakta akoigi forefathers singna nagagi damakta haina life sacrifice tauraga laktana matam kyam lakare moigi sacrifice tawi bagi mangan do ngasi akoi naga mayamna full-fledged oiba independent mak oidrugsu makoina sacrifice kitang werugsu sacrifice life sacrifice tauraga asigi stage oksi yaurakarbani loinana akoigi movement akoina mayamna ikai khumna kedoba akoigi collective leadership teach muiba and his colleagues now Zikshu government of India ga framework agreement tauraga Zikshu akoigi wari si losingai hana chathariba matam sidasu I once again reiterate our fearless support till our final and honorable solution is achieved. I would say, Foothills gi on behalf ta extend the owning money. Dear Naga brothers and sisters, we Naga at home, I experienced, and as per my observation, we are too dependent. Ipu ipagi matamda. Dignity of labor, lerma miyamsi, ako'y kautok hai. Ako'y gi mang tatariba, ako'y natawham thokpa, mayamsi, ako'y ningchen manaraga, amaga ama support pinaraga, ako'y tawrabida, ako'y machine, ama nakakat kre hai baganda, chingthan ngay, hot naraga, labor sinadi, ngasi ako'y damak hai na, ako'y collective leadership, Abakar Muiwa and his colleagues, Moy mayam na kamak tawragsu, yumda leriba ako'y singsina, support pidargadi, moy kaktadi, karisu tawbong amoy. Now, Tangkul Naga Foothills Organization, Amawena, Yamna Pikraba Organization China. As we moved, ako'y nagkari tausira haina, ako'y yamna Pikraba Organization weragasu. No, I parta as an individual, as an organization, yumna leriba ako'y nasu aigi role lauraga, aigi tawpamsi si habasi tawdagali yaroi. Aduna, hanbada. Now, Tangkul Naga Foothills Organization is the 56 villages covered away. And most of the villages, ako'y si mixed population ni. Ayam mana mitay pangan kuki tami na ba lam ngakta ni. Therefore, sige environment sida, how do we go about it? Ako'y karman hingini. Our only weapon could lie when ako'y hingingay di peaceful coexistence in a principle weraga. Ako'y hingmina dagdi. Aigi yung tangnariba, aigi kun tangnariba mo'y sida. Masigi diplomacy si. Ako'y could lie when Sijil naraga hingmina dagdi ako'y si ujigi ako'y movement sida valley base si suana noy mayam na sukhang lam ngani kyamuk hanjin na ako'y collective leaders teach muhiwa gi effigy tambakta may tharaga Masina mo'y issue eraga. Tawhiba mayam lay. However, Tangkul Naga Foothills gi initiative ta. No, this is wrong. Uzik NSN gi collective leadership na luchingaga. framework agreement gi makha the government of India that talk to this not only for the Nagas. Some Bhakta Lediba, irrespective of tribe. Nangi saruksu yauri bani. Aduna masidi langani haina akwai valley based sisu sokol kukumi hoibo anjina individual wise ta akwai meeting tawraga mathang tawdana akwai gi leadership gi lasu puselaga wari sahale then the UNC kasu samaina akwai gap le riba myam si tinsin halaga wari sahanwa gandali somehow moigi negative attitude haibasi karadi change the wo pangrabara haibasi aigi saitagi mayam gi mamang su samjaning mani aina haining wadi let us be positive akhoi gi mahausa jingmi gi mahausa miti hairaga allergic oiba cookie hairaga allergic oiba masigi attitude chidi sinadi akhoi gi goal adu Egypt wang moidra. Therefore, it is my humble appeal to all our Naga brothers and sisters. Ako yamna positive attitude ta, individual capacity da. Ako gi approach masi ahong ba ama leise haibisi appeal si taujaning mani. Just recently, Kokumi and UNC, they have jointly given a representation to the government of Manipur, Population Commission, NRC, Semininga Hebasi, Sumaina. Akhoi Tangkul Naga Foothills Organization gi initiative lauraga sumaina akhoi ABEX organization UNC ga sumaina tinhalaga sigi processu chali ani subada now Foothills not only Tangkul now the so-called Sanabadi district ki bifurcal tauraga Kangpokpi da leidiba Naga Singsi there are about 103 villages 13 tribes and a sizable population of more than 60,000. We are the land owner adubo ngsi land owners in sea, refugee on Gedorene. The successive government of Manipur, Moigi divisive policy, Sinamana Moiraga, Akoi Butongan, Tongan, the minority, Tahalaga. Lebushi, no, it's high time. We Nagas in Kangpokpi district, we cannot afford to give mum. That is why Tangkul Naga Foothills Organization and Southern Damja Naga Council na collaborate tauraga. Last year, 27th November 2021, the People's Conclave ama. And we resolved to have a strong organization. Therefore, masi akhoi constitution sem khare ikui dana akhoi Naga People's Organization Kangpopi habasi leirani. Now the aims and objective, our culture, our identity. Masi akhoi yamna sensitive oi kharba area si akhoi gi strong oi ba organization leitrak di yaroi habigi wakhan londa masi pauratana masi akhoi gi lam akhoi gi identity masi akhoi protect tawdragadi within no time akhoi si mi amang ba wai la gedra hai bigi jingna ba lidana akhoi lemina riba si the peaceful coexistence lemina ba hai na akhoi samai na sem sara ka leire mayam na su. The government of Manipur na ojik akhoi gi 1960 MLR Act ki makhada akhoi gi lamda joint survey chatpa hore. Supreme Court na Northeast state ta delimitation tauro habasi Supreme Court ki directive ni. Just recently HSC bill ki matangda at sumna spearhead tauraga kadai da yaw perhaps you were just confused. Our Nagas, our tribals were divided, were in divided house. Reserve forest, akhoi lam mayam si in the name of reserve forest, in the name of protected forest, in the name of wildlife sanctuary, and above all, akhoi gi chingda government of Manipur na akhoi gi hill area committee lei leina land law sem kharagni haire naga gi Kun gi headman village authority akhoi tumba matam natre akhoi tumba matam natre akhoi gi national workers na tumba chaba khangdana government of India da wari tawdan leri akhoi yumda leri ba akhoi singsina tumaga le shiro masi chumge dro. This will be very wrong. As an individual, as a Naga, I think aigi nangi part amamam tawpham leibadu akhoi tawragadi hayeng akhoi gi solution lakpa gan da su kali am da su akhoi complicacy leiroi aduna ai akon mada sumaina akhoi national workers ki leader singbu amuk hanna tangkhul naga foothills organization dagi yamna noi matam kuting da akhoi gi award apat akhoi gi matam da akhoi na noi da thira ta kanda positive response pi bi da bam yam si yamna hagat chare amuksu matam kuting da akhoi gi ngam da ba akhoi gi award pa chisu noi bu noi gi manak ta lak pa gan su kau bi no hai bsi sumaina tham janing mani lastly I is sumaina sum up wahi kharasi thamaga ai speech sumaina dancing ge who think of independence when people are worried about the fear of sleeping empty stomach. We want the moon without a land to place our legs in freedom. We fight for freedom without any respect for others' freedom. We claim for our rights without respecting the rights of others. Govardis Nagas, Kuknalim.
Thank you so much to all the organizations for expressing out your thoughts and concern positively. Short speech kachine ka, short speech kachiji, ichungwe uklungwe malunga jangle hogada, hang kong rockli tiomei ka atam ka khila sangla khaire, yari sai ko runala phabda ming rock sai, phe ming rock sai, hang dak leji itum sai ko runanga na khilaga, ichungwe atazan li mai ngare ba khawai we wang lagai. Aro ichungwe matang zada importance la ga ya program ram manrat le ye Arihi itumna special number akang nang rumra idiadu amakan special number ekda hunibo kyusumong padlen khan laga team ke time tiase. Please share the stage.
Oh, hello, check. Check 1 or 3. Jingamli sana puede show serakani. Isin the lakni sangaye. Firstly, show a little kindness.
Narrow-minded me, of the narrow-minded people on that narrow-minded street.
And the next song is called In the Kingdom.
Saw the headline just the other day, saying the wall's coming down, saying the peace is just a breath away. One word, one voice, one happy family. Yeah, that's what the world believes. I read my Bible just the other day, saying the kingdom's coming down. Jesus said the kingdom just a prayer away. One Lord, one God, one faith eternally. Yeah, that's what the church believes. We're alive, we are strong. We're the nation we belong. Let us all stand together in the kingdom. No more darkness, no more night. We're the children of the light. Let us all work together in the kingdom. Heard a newsman just the other day. He said a war is coming down. He said destruction just a breath away. One word, one war, one awesome tragedy. Yeah, that's what the world believes. I heard a preacher just the other day. He said God's glory's coming down, just as the waters cover all the seas. One king, one crown, one reign forevermore. Yeah, that's what we have and more. We're alive, we are strong. We're the nation we belong. Let us all stand together in the kingdom. No more darkness, no more night. We're the children of the light. Let us all work together in the kingdom. Na 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 na. Let us all stand together in the kingdom. Na 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 na. Let us all work together in the kingdom. Thank you.
Thank you. Indeed grateful for the beautiful number. And then trailing also. Up next we have a speech from our special guest, Major General Retired Sunna, Member Collective Leadership. Sir, may kindly step on the podium. Thank you.
이셔부 얌타가짜리 아시군바 마탐 아파바시 ngasi egi sharuk ui happy bashi yam ngai re. Secondly, akwegi honorable chief handaki ngasi gi 76 anameningi chief guest ui pirba Sir V.S. Atem mahakda chief hurenga da ai magi sipai wina lereme. Mahakda chief ui bamatam da ai magi followers ama wina lereme. Adubo chikti Masin nation gi darka mutung na nation unde chekre aishu nation gi necessity amati ke aishu civil de chekre manama shi gi demak tangasi masjid leiriba 76 enemening gi nimik ta ai bo asha kumba gas of hona pibisi yam ngai ayam ngai ai a moren sho ai yamna mukup magai sho ai loida pallaroi korna shida leiriba Kolakpa ichini nausing pastor parijamyam sinsa gi leadership chingsho gi student gi organization nokhoi gi program asi ai urga yam thakachai ai shor gi mi thakachai ai krisho heidba krisho ngam do mini adubu ngasi khoi miam gi platform asida lipa phangba ai mangsu mang de mamba phasi mangda ai yam horo jaye hujik simtamna luishen luk pani ai madam kuilna lauru re adubu ai khoina wa asida ngangba apa suggestion piba sinsi ai khoina khut kupak ye basi ik male maduna khoshi kanna marki kupak shi ye shi nakal for crash ki demak kanna kupak ye shi nakagi 76 years I khoshi yaw khre ngasai honorable member loina hai khre ngashi aidi sipai gi lom dushu ayato to pa dushu ayam na pallaroe adubu I khoi nakalem for Christ habish da ikra mission tawruge nakalem for Christ habish I khoi ipai pushing di Yuthaklaka Konga Konlai Shuknaraka Akwe Shukuk Kaknaraka Lekere Jishu Krishna Hinka Kere Jishu Krishna Cross the Shirka Hinka Kere Habuntunda Otes the Mine Pihiba Israel Singi and Tembinesi Israel Singi Sharukni Jishu Krishna Cross the Shirka Hinkat Paki Israel Shikanano Mapumashida Peliba Ujashing, leadership, ichin noshing, miyam na kantashi. Jishu Krishna na shikirba, hinkat kirba, matungda for Christ wigini habido, naka kaktini hana, ayu munakong da tabadi, prichibishi, nakaling kaktini habishi ay huchikbuk ado ayu wakan shule. Kantashi, ay kwagi norta. Naka population di ki yam kraba India Defense Force ashili kraba mamang da kin krini. East akoi naka population di ki hin wang kraba China ki Defense Force na ting krini. East West kana na ting bra Muslim country na ting krini. South di Bamas kune ting krini. Ngashi nakashingu safety kdai delibra nakashingi safety kdai delibra issue yordna ekweshi hingni ngailambia mat sholite habagi ngashi ekwina for Christ na kau hibashi isini no miyam ekwe miyam si Christian kaktini reverend kwe doctor kwe church ki workers sinche prayer group kyamrum sholerengini nakagi upambishe nakagi leibambishe country ya chawa chuba mari mrikta thorokliba nakagi pambishi lei chetuk pangam de na leiriba simashi ai khoi masida nakale bakta leirika ising chaibiba har hapiba mishi hantha karbra mishi leidrbra ko Aiba Madning Singe
Maramasing ito ang asi mapamasid tilibay sinawmayam. Ay kwesi Christian state wigini. Ay kwesi Christian gilapak wigini hebani. Adobo isininaw miyam kana kumanda hakchang pihire. Ipay magkana kumanda hakchang pihire. Offering kaya sub lerang mani. Mama pa pukning warka kaya sub pitar ka lerang mani. Madu kana gimarala. Ay kwe kana busum mara shiginushi. Naglan for Christ ay kirbanina. Ishorga ay kweshi lambishim nabda. Ay kwe na kyasto nabam tabda. Ishorga ay kweshi. Kaya poba kuchi. Shamnaraga chapang ngambra habisi. Isha gi wakada kwe na. Proof to she habisi. Ay masi. Anji shuba wina tampininge. Aham shuba wina. Nakagi lamashida. Israel kamba. Easter, Lishabi Ningtao Jarzaski, Nupi Easter, Maduki, Nupi Yumna, Nakagi the Magda Prahna Toba, Nakagi, Nupi Gana Shupoklam de Brako, Habashi, Maruk da Kantaye. Maruk da Kantaye, Manamashiki the Magda, Nashimapamashi the Tiliba, Equemiam. 76 eminency observed over tamda lakliba ikinino nung shasha hen shu checkino tabakle hen shu checkino nungi tabaksin nikili nung shasha bashi nung churu shu nung shasha shu nung tabak checkdo tabakle ngashi 74 nakka endeminen days ki 76 observe mashi tobum tangda aikwen ngak tang shishu khanminna she maduna miyam shi tamina she I quite Nakala Bagasida Ning Tao in a Panam Laba, Lan win a Shoknarmba, Nashi. For Christ ye the Makta Wigini Hana, Reverend Kia, I could tow a capihrene. Evo get Kia Murume with tow a capihrene. Reverend Casio, Chingjuregi, Reverend Ama Kohimada. Equay Tanghol Church da Pastor Wirika Leramba, Reverend Kasho Kwepoba, Nation Gidamakta, Gulini Shini, Natural Death Natin Mashibu. Matakda Evoket I quit Dimapurda Leba Evoketche. Ya Napachaba, I quit Tankula Male, Evoketing Evoketche. Me Pava quitting Shimana. Jelga Lotopini Reverend Yope Evoket Yope share Kuima Dimapuda Mashi Shibini Nation Kia Kitamukta Nation Workers in Kia Pakrava Jilda Chankiba Kamur Tamukta Mana Kat Bikirini Mashi Evoket Amanine Mashi Lanshupa Minatini Nashi Nation Gi Principal Ashikrila I crana Nakagi Lan Hobashi Numai Baraka Tepashi Krigi Demokta Papra Katpra Ishona Shimkiba Nakalan Ashi Chau Kurba country sing the Quishilaka Lakerva Murkshida Upambiama Turkliba Nakalan for Christ Ki Upambia Shik the Makta Katchibashe Nanki Sharuk Shule, a Sharuk Shule, Madum Yamshi Evoket Nashirushu, Reverend Nashirushu, Pastor Nashirushu, for Christ Kitamakini, Aduna Nashe, Nakalan for Christ Heaven Tangda, I quit a Jishu Crystal Lakramotung Damakwe, I quit Nakalan Shibu, Ishorgilapak, we had shabda, I quit Maral Lita and I Kale. I quit Maral Arambalita and a Kale. Nakalan for Christ ki the Magda nung shirba ichino kamrung kongli dinaliye. Nakalan for Christ ki the Magda ichino kamrung kwatli dinaliye. Nakalan for Christ ki the Magda kanakumba mamikli na hingbalaye. Aishi genera amawina ay kalnada leiba matamda aishi lancha nabamtamda. Ishona kambiye habeto ay madu shakito ninge miamda mafungkuting de ay shakito bam. Pon amama wina palle ay hakjang sida masida pallaga ashida thokpa back the palaka ashida tokpa. I part ashi, she like ponda tok, shock love show, kid the kidna tokerba, gananargo. I kong the palaka mutung the chekiba, put the palaka mutung the chekiba. Oh, I apong by Miaman and Ishona, I will work panico, I mother pataye. Tiliba ichin no miam. Ashi merek the shoe, Murugi, Jokom Puruka, Murugi Ashokpale, Kiamurum Puruka, Leba Kiamurum Shulegini, Ipai mashing, no quickie prayer git the Mokta, no quickie prastina git Panganda, I quit she chat Lebani, I quit she, Nakagi, Huini, Nakagi Huini, I Nakagi Huini, I Tankulda, Low Shingulaga, I Tamkibagi Lentum Trishulite. I pomani, pomadi ki tanghulam lakpada tanghuna pichaye. I pomani, nakalan de chalaga nakalan yimishna pichaye. I nakagi huini habda I pataye. Maramashi de makta, Nashe queen nation na purka ladeba, Nashe queen nation na kanglaka ladeba. Quit pushe, Maduki de makta quay. Kirishu chingna de dina. Ava kiruna haikiba, Ava kiruna washakiba. Uncle Susana Ushakiba, Madugi Mutongna, Ishorgi Mamang Daique, Ganashu Chinata, for Christ I do the Makta, stick with a cheshi, stick with a personato she. Nakalingi Lapagashida Eastern personato Wakumna, Ishona Tapiba, Nupi Ganashu Yoder Braco. Nakalan for Christ the Maktashida. Moses kumna ishona kanghirga jeshu puwa matushu leader brako ligni shodina ligni aikoi yi journey shi amang ba shule ashuk ba shule shiba shule naba shule adureshu ishona pi hiba aikoi gi pandupa madu da thongdri phobada aikoi na khutang da shule ti aikoi na ngashi aikoi michim na usingshina nung may paira line shok nere bashi aikoi imong da turn to ba berel natini Delhi da turn ko ba berel nei Brahma da yinglaka yengkon da target to ba berel nei maramashi de makta nakalen for Christ herka for Christ ki de makta partner kana torka for Christ ashini ko hana jing da ba leadership kana le Brahma du ki de makta kan aikoi partner to she aikoi kan da partner to she Maramashik the Matangashi Mapumashi the Teleba, leaders Miam, Ichin Inau Miam, Ipaima Miam, Aishi Wangang Bashishu Aikea Hinati. Aishi Sartimna Aibo, Hihita Aibo, Tak Tawado A Ningshin Havako. Aishi Ipang Pang the Ganda the Chepamiamani Havako, starting the commander. Hana ngasi shuma bu lakmina ye yam nungai jare yam thakat jare aina phangd ba platform ase gumba se ai mang shu mang de adu ngasi di aina yingbada phachai ko hana yinglim ba west coast ase aibu ngasi di akhoi gi nung sirwai chi nom yam na aibu piban na ai lothuk shu lothuk ning da dum utle ka le aibu ko I matam shukwina larore, yam nungare, yam takachare, I quashi, pritibi didi, tungan na, quen tungan na, luan tungan na, iria tungan na leye. Adobo, I quayi, principle, nakalem for Christ ki principle imutungina, I quayi, matak to the lambi amata ni have she a mother atinba in a arriva in a sakitoning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was a challenging and encouraging message. Moving on to the next, now we have a speech from our... we have a special number again from MOC and PEN. As you prepare to take the stage, I would like to introduce the PEN vocal MOC Shimrei, co-vocal Angela Hun, guitarist Sing AC, and bassist Karin Hor. May I request the band to share the stage? Atang volunteers li mi haida klaya message pinji yari pinji ari special number mi klaya atam li yaw maman mi khawai sistem mi tale volunteers ping na kaching rata issue members ping delegates ping de yaw mi haw reno.
Ralu kanui tot ping Iyur Malaysia mala Syukritam kwilu Tang kami awo Masyun wilung li Iyur semgau sem Imaram yur kangatay lima chitun bay Awayina pasangga hai shimpunji Yang lalu malay shimala Shun sangga hai tari Kipara mayong dalay Ngakatelu kalito Iyo ngatang kuisay Tâm cô sang cơ hai rơ Yêu ý cả chốt cả chăn Cơ lớp mi hao lòng Yêu ý bê bằng Yêu khá ngã thay li Yang bông phu xì la Imaram yêu khá ngã thay li ma chi Sangga hai teri Kibana mayong dalay Ngakatelu kanito Iyo natang kuisay Kungalit.
That was Emosi and Pan. Thank you so much for presenting the patriotic song to the young souls. Now we should move on to the next speech from the Chief Case, Lieutenant General retired VS Atem VC Member Collective Leadership. Ara itumna masawa we na speech kana khwai sara chi na masawa na tam khimi khwai cham dale.
Thank you, moderator.
respected chairman and village headman of this village, respected organizing committee leaders, members of this of Sansa and Chingtun Katamnao Long. Thank you for your tireless efforts to make this unique historic day a very wonderful one. Respected my colleagues and all the dignitaries on the dais, all the village leaders, elders, my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I would like to read out the speech of our Honorable Ato Kilonser, Ino T.H. Muiva, addressing the Naga people on this historic day. My dear countrymen, on this joyous celebration of the historic 76th Naga Independence Day, I greet you all in the precious name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. We pay homage to our beloved comrades in arms who have made supreme sacrifices for the cause of Nagalim for Christ. We highly appreciate all the civil societies who have taken all the necessary troubles in advocating for the rights of the Naga people at any time of horrible military atrocities committed against our people by the aggressors. We are thankful to all the churches and prayer warriors who have been praying for the national cause and the workers in the forefront without ceasing. Furthermore, we are grateful to our friends abroad for their unflinching supports to the cause of the oppressed Naga people. Indeed, the Naga people are deeply indebted to them. We are Nagas by blood, by culture, and by history. We profess the same faith and political concept. We are neither Indians nor Burmese. There should be no doubt about it that Nagas are a sovereign people from time immemorial, which makes our history unique. Sovereignty is our birthright, which should be defended at all cost. If we cannot defend our sovereignty, our future will be decided by others. If we cannot defend our land, the aggressors will possess it. If we cannot defend our people, we will become foreigners in our own land. If we cannot defend our freedom, we will become a lost people. If we cannot defend our history, it will be uprooted. If we cannot defend our culture, it will be assimilated. And if we cannot defend our identity, we will be proselytized. We don't want war, but war is imposed on us. War has killed hundreds of thousands of Nagas. It has destroyed our villages, towns, and forests. It has destroyed our educational institutions and churches. This ugly war has damaged the psychology of our people, young and old. This war must be stopped, or it will devour us. We look for peace, but peace without freedom is a wishful thinking. Peace does not exist by itself. It goes along with freedom, truth, justice, and rights. Ceasefire is a political terminology. It is the harbinger of peace. Ceasefire has been with the Nagas for 25 years now. But we see no meaning in the ceasefire that does not embark upon political negotiation. And we see no meaning in negotiation if it cannot deliver solution. Indeed, we are for agreement, but it would be a form without content if it cannot bring a solution. All the past agreements were no solution because they betrayed the Naga national principle. The Nagas are looking for an issue-based solution, and that we are opposed to imposition of Indian will on the Nagas. What shall we do if the government of India imposes its will on us? We need to work out a survival strategy. We must stay the course. Our future is in our decision to stand firm on our sovereign right, not in submission to the aggressors. Our no to the dictation of the enemies will save our history. Our survival strategy lies in the power of prayer in the name of Jesus Christ. The name of the Lord is our strong tower, which we believe is bigger and stronger than the coalition forces of many kings. The presence of the Lord has been with us on all fronts since the beginning of the resistance movement. Our strength comes from the Lord. Conscious of it or not, it is God who guides the destiny of nations and the course of their history. He is the author of history. Let us also take critical note that divisive elements and collaborators are restlessly indulging in slanderous fabrications targeting the framework agreement. The irony is that the government of India is keeping pretentious silence over the framework agreement it has signed on 3rd August 2015. But the truth shall prevail in the long run. The 31st May 2022 emergency National Assembly is one of the turning points in the history of the Naga political movement. We have taken the stand before God and the Naga people that NASN will uphold and protect the unique Naga history and the Naga national principle at any cost. The Naga flag and constitution are indivisible parts of the recognized sovereignty and unique history. We believe the Indians too understand it. The Nagas have endured 25 years of grueling ceasefire, living up to our commitment for peaceful solution of the Naga political issue. We have also waited patiently for 7 long years after the historic framework agreement that was signed on the 3rd August 2015. We have left no stone unturned of what it takes to bring a solution that is honorable, inclusive, acceptable to both the Nagas and the government of India. The ball is now in the court of the government of India to make the right move and fulfill the commitment given to the Nagas. Political movement without looking into sustainable economic development is outmoded policy. We have to feel comfortable about the fact that Nagalim is immensely rich in terms of God-gifted natural resources and human resources. The Nagas are blessed with physical, mental, and spiritual potentialities to grow. All the nations move forward through the spirit of self-reliance in all fields: political, economy, military, and in the field of education. In order to build a strong nation, it is imperative for us to build a strong economy. Therefore, we should be ready to explore all avenues for the generation of revenues to build our national economy. All Nagas unite with one decision, one faith, and one politics on the principle of Nagalim for Christ. Kuknalim. T.H. Muiva. Thank you. I would like to request all the people to bear with me for some time more. Maidalon ngangbadi hayroi. Maidalon di tamshu tamde. Karamay na ngangani. Tang kulonshu ngangbadare. Maidalon nganglabashu ay asida wajab sunileye ay seng na haigani makhoi digi de ay na hen na phajana ngangbadi haigani mauna Maidaron ngangbusu tare ay Sanapati ki student union na Maidaron ngangbusu ay tare 1982 da waja NGO leng ibani Kohima chatke na chatbakan da Sanapati lan bakan da student union singna procession chatuna lereme protest rally ni hai na Sanapati tisi mati jade mati jaba tisi pio ay sungak mani Sanapati ki tisi ye thibdare Manipur government waragani hai na khanbani framework agreement signed the bullshit 7 years sure Nokhoi loina mak taram gani pabo ngamba mising di pa su param gani I don't know if you had read between the lines atu ki matang da khara ngang ninge Government of India has recognized the unique history and political situation of the Nagas, meaning Nagas are never part of India. How? When the Britishers came, a few parts of Nagalim fell into their hand, their control. But greater parts of the portions of the Nagalim still remained outside the control of the British Empire. They were called as free Nagas. Naga Hills the Liribam Ahansing 1929 Lakpakanda Simon Commission Bu Memorandum Piki. That is if you decide to go back, you should not club us with any of these people, be it Hindu-dominated people or Muslim-dominated people, because they, in the past, did not subjugate us at all. Aduna nakhoi chatpa tarabadi, you must leave us as you found us. This must be very clear. Naga ke ahlaman singna iraga thambiram base mashini. Accordingly, Naga elders, they continue to negotiate with the British officials, especially after the conclusion of the Second World War. Second World War loishin garba matung dadi British singa se shwaidana chat khargani haibse Naga leaders singi wakhanda pokle adudagi nokhoi aikoigi right to independence se declare dawraga chalo machindadi why hai adubu they were not prepared mentally to accept the stand of the Nagas. Adudigi Naga Hansing se they went to Mahatma Gandhi nokhoi loina khangnam gani taram gani madhu amuk aina hanna repeat tobugi darkar su oite. India ga Naga Singh so far agreement thambase, written agreement lebase, it's only Shillong Accord and 9-point agreement. Ashikaktani. Indian government ki representative ka Naga leadership agreement signed to only these 2 agreements laye. Meaning the 16-point agreement had a kawe. 16-point agreement, there was no agreement at all. It was only a 16-point memorandum. Therefore, the creation of Nagaland state, as people claim according to the 16-point agreement, it was never an agreement, it was just an imposition on the will of the Nagas through some few vested interest persons in the name of Naga People's Convention. Yes, Naga People's Convention was initiated by the church elders along with the government employees, because they felt that government employees were the best person to request the government authorities to let the church leaders talk to them, to bring about some sort of mitigation between the Naga people and the Indian government forces. Matuki spirit the Naga People's Convention Pamba Hoguni. But Mr. B.M. Mulik, B.M. Mulik and S.M. Dutt, Bolanath Mulik, who was the director of the IB, S.M. Dutt was the deputy director. Mr. Murgot Ramani was one of the deputy commissioners. Major Kating Ruleng was the deputy commissioner of Makokchung. These people, they dictated the terms of memorandum. That is why church leaders, most of them, they backed out. Even some of the intellectuals and government leaders, led by government officials, led by Kevichusa, walked out. No, we cannot be the negotiators. But the tendency which is being created here is that NPC leaders are going to negotiate with the government of India. Mr. Vizo Langami, who was one of the leaders, he also worked out from the NPC convention. Adumaina tautuna negotiation negotiation dauraga agreement it was just imposition of terms by the government officials. Indian government ki negotiators makai lakpa makai singbu masi produce tawone agreement leye Naga sing is a part of Indian Union oikini hai na agreement thame harabdi. Come on, show us. Haibakanda makhoi karishu haibangam de. Ko aduna agreement karishu leite. Naga sing na Indian Union ki part oiragani hai na haigipa karishu leite. Adu ki matungina 1947, 14 August, Naga Sing independence declared. The message was telegraphically sent message to all the embassies in Delhi, to the government of India, to even the United Nations. Only the Secretary General of UNO did acknowledge the receipt of the message of the Naga people. Anyway, government of India was determined not to recognize the independence of the Naga people. But now they have been compelled by the situation. They realize that Nagas can never be intimidated. Nagas can never be convinced to come to their term. And that is why, after many years of protracted negotiations, Mr. R.S. Pandey, Government of India's interlocutor, he told the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, I know the Nagas. I was there in Nagaland for more than 30 years. I know the mentality of the Nagas. They will never accept any term unless Government of India concede some of their rights and respect them. That is how eventually he has brought up this doctrine of shared sovereignty. Unique history, Prime Minister of India, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, government 2002, July 11, they recognized Taukre. Atuki matungina sovereignty ki power asiti khara shared odrapti yate. Now, many Indian leaders are trying to say that sharing of sovereign power is as good as the states, constituent states of the Indian Union enjoying autonomy. But in the Constitution of India, nothing is mentioned about the sovereign, sharing of sovereign power with the states by the Union of India. Kari issue laite Indian Union, Government of India na states yung sovereign rights shared away. Kari issue, kari issue laite. It is a delegation of power through Constitution of India. Aduna matu sharing of sovereign power ni haina haibiyate. Naga Singh sovereign power, sovereign right as recognized Taurabdina. I say, Kaiba Makti Kaiganushi, Kaiba Darabadi, India get among the danger yamli. Aduna, Kaiba Makti Kaiganushi, Mashimakti no Koishu accept the war, I say, Mr. R.S. Pandey Matamda, repeatedly ma high Germany. Aduki Matungina Koishu, Pare, Adorabdi. If Government of India recognizes the sovereign right of the Nagas, even if it is short of complete separation. Okay, we will accept it. That is why negotiation has gone ahead. Sumaina chatharaga lakpani. Hauchiti sovereign right laye, oirabushu short of separation. Da aikoi se settle taushe hairaga. Amukka makhoina shanari bishikari shanabra hairaga. Flag leite, flag mention daude, constitution mention daude. Ashikumba the shengnati. Yes, Mr. R.N. Ravi once mentioned it in public. But it is only most of the Naga ignorant leaders who have been talking all this nonsense. Adugi damakta ay shengna haibani ko India bu independence declare to hanba matamda first British Parliament da bill ama passed away. Bill of Independence of India and Pakistan. 15th of August ki British government withdraw to khragani India bu independence power she transfer to khragani matu iye. There was no mention of flag. There was no mention of constitution. Adu ipatarabadi flag city independence ki sovereignty ki symbol nine, inclusive symbol nine. Constitution city inclusive symbol nine. Adubu aikoi ki mission nadi I integration ju yaude. Whereas if you continue to read down the lines, you will find that we are confident that this will provide a new relationship of peaceful coexistence of the two entities. And two entities meaning one entity is the government of India and the other entities will be Nagalim. Nagalim mashi entity ama oiba tarabdi Arunachal the Naga laye, Assam the Naga laye, Manipur the Naga laye, Nagaland the Naga laye. Ashi entity amani haina lawu yabra. Yaroine. Adu kitamakta aikoi proposal de inaduna laiba even government of India's ki interlocutor na shu iduna pirakpa ma ki proposal da cheda Naga national struggle is for all Naga areas, including present Nagaland state, Nagas of Manipur, Nagas of Assam, Nagas of Arunachal Pradesh. Ashumaina. Solution shall cover all the Naga areas. Hibernate. Adubu. Aikoi Naga singi marakta kana community integration shi yaude ko asikumba damaging oiba khanthaba ngamoi daba khunja singbu ngau hange haina tawbugi thabak se ayambadi aikoi Naga mission de ki thorakpani ko aikoi phajana masi phapta se hojik aikoi ki special guest of honor na mana Nagaland for Christ ki matang da phajana haibi gre aikoi na masi kauroi de bani aikoi kauroi de budi Naga na solution phange hai batarabdi crystal Phajana Ikoi Loshin Batabani. Without Christ, there is no solution. Without Christ, there is no salvation. And freedom without land, that is meaningless. Ashai, special case na high re, Naron Singh na shu high than lay, go, Kana Kumpai Koki speakers Karana shu high re, freedom for our land is not at the expense of others people's land. Aikoina Kanaki Lamshu Mulloy. Adubu, Aikoigi freedom Pang Labadi, Yare, Lebak Yaudrushi Yare, Habuti, Aikoi Kri, Katonga Shiara. Aikoigi, Nungaina Bato Wishidi, Mia Degi, the Mukta warning I don't to the Matu, that is not the well being of our people. Aikoigi culture. Hundoklaga Aikoi freedom TBAT. Haujikan Gina Haron Singna Tori Beshe, Ayambashe, Kopi Doba, Korean gi culture, Kopi Doba, Western gi culture, Kopi Doba, Ashkumbana Maru Eva Toraga. Shangna Shai, Ashida, Aikoi would receive Taudana, Barret Toraga Lakpakanda. Iram now being Kakohoan, the Moko Hemini. Kamohana and the Mohan Hemini. Young Itum Kalatawi culture of Mashat Hemini. Miwi culture liver Itum he Atum Nakata Sagla, Jihor Chak the Sakuti. Chi Itum Ninga Sharpugre. Itum Christa wing lay Shemra Jilaga. Itum Pungi Araji and Gagaji Kida Kisa de Ledeje Avung Rabing Kani Luisa Ngalang Hoko Paisata Ngalang Mandarami Jeda Kani Lugasali Matanda Tubena Ngalang Pay the Shaliko Avang Rabing Paisa Samango Kupere Shanghai Kupere Inauna Mashaila Mikate we now Shinda Tilak his order me we now Tijle E Shango Kupere George we Yokohama being George Katana being the Tais Chungdung Jango Kupere de la Gajana Zadarago O Kutu Itumui Ninkan Gaji here, Conchat. Instead of for Christ, we are going for cursed. We will be re-crucifying Jesus Christ for the second time. And that is going to happen in the land of the Nagas. Chitatawa Masang Sakpai Maroko, Iram now being Ning Shorse. Ning Shilakare, Natumli, Kasanga, Jinghamli, that Kang Laga, Kang Sakai, Natumna Yurli, Lake Shiju Vina, Hitada, Natum Kalatuika Chotli, Kika, Kaun Masalakla, Kang Bomne, Gajihi, Paninda, Natumli Vai Shilakare, Ning Shilakare, Ia Ajuva. 1981 li ina iram song khunga tamjitran li remake up the I awo suisali ngosolago watsa kasa awo suisali sa sarum chat kasa mi pingjili athumi sokmi ungkhuire ta I pha khung ni ina hili ram hili ungata tamjitran ni kharanau kai khawa oktikan thwere sai kharanau kai kha dei sai Ina Kateuka Iwi Katei Iwi Kashaju Tishida Lisa Laga Karana Ping Jiwi Wang Ia Atumli อาทุมนะโซขมีขมีจูวังไงนะอีวิวัดมังอาin the 1982 to 83 sak hai sai koru kali iwi thili ik dong ra hili wajaram ka thing le dele a thum na continue sa la ka ping lak ke na chatwa ka sa chatwa ka shap ka chi sai koru chi awong ra aying ra ping na ping lak ke na sa sa khami chu wang na ne ka chung ga ina sa sa se awong ra lo cái chế tâm chỉ rằng sao này đó cái chung nó mất trật mani, đúng, thùng chỉ lý personally, xin cái thế hi lý lung là cái is sẽ sang room ấy, khi không sang chỉ lý mất chỉ hắn chỉ tí chứ, không sang along, làm sao bằng, thấy ngay, mong ngập han, đúng. Hita da mi tharalang dali I athum li athum ring dali laka I mahanung ramani ot mangana sakau gada ka aju athum na kan thuai salala athum wi naungara arozangara kachikathana athu awoli iwile ge shipaning gungsada iwining ge shi athum li ung chỉ thấy mình đó ina cái chọn nào cái téo cái ini cái pre cái ni cái téo cái ngaran khui là cái khui phung đó lấy arui vậy hili khi cái sa ja atam na manang mà đấy ina ông chairman với bang lấy hai miao đấy li sa sa là cái hai đó lấy nhung chỉ có khui milo aju ita da I sakol mangiri hili pesa laga ot ungasane yong ji adam jidran li kharana ping leisan li lapai tora champung li lapai yong kharana ping lei ga sa ping ili sa sa khong ma ping ji aju ina ung khang thing li khipa kham lei thuri yong thi sare re ok tui athum ma wan sa thui sare re mikumo wi songcha atam wi thi shuda athum kan thui sare re thalala aju NSNly Ogathuina recognize Hakami. Indian government the problem Naka problem cannot be solved with military force. It is a political issue. It must be solved politically. Tak khui ki hi hili lei ga sa khara naw ping na yawi da khum la ga kharar ngo hongli ili marakali changda ngohongli rasam phang naga chili thum sa sang rom marakali leisan li sa sang rom te ta da khara ne athum na sa sa sang kami wangai na manga ko khui kho I thumwa aju lei da klei ping hia yaw sangai da klei ling sangai da klei ji mat chi khwai tru chai khami kala ko ho mau ma tha khami Chimba ko, ling the sang here, itum na mening ko, awo suisa long, karana bina, ling sangai ka sako. Ara itum na tape lungi jababa, a time a tang a saki jijia, Frevra mango, itum Frevrali took me the Jihamse, Frevra man a come on show me kishabako, Frevrana shun kamai the lelakana, Kipana kamashok, luck maregaji. Revelation chapter 3. Verse 7 like behind the leko itum jimam laya say aju ina ash sinagai thili akashi de ungai jinda kajena iling so chatak leya iwi naumya ka shoka songam na aishta thaka sakol mangbasili khikasa se jena sansa wi mi pingna mathan da thup aina maya khami thelaga kala ngalang la chikat laga lan la chikat laga idata or kana ऐसा kami the laga ring phal lakke ning shi lakke revrana na thumli matai me to somirno kala I thumli thui ga damni na thumna lei shimida se ha sa kami linga chang ka chat ko hom leila na thumi lan yang chikat laga odam ngu thu kami thata I thumi songcha mokop prang la khaina tangta khipa khanga chang ka chat masa se khipa khaning ke teol masa se pek la kaina pang la kaina thum maning ching say ka ji hi na thumli po khangai ne ina aroi khika tata okay aroi ka teo ka tata ajuwe organizing committee bingli khika dena ka tata amingai na yurui khaya ka shi yurui ning ka shi lei ka shi ji ji thei khangai mane ai ha oh cha okay maman thokura isipavana miruno Sinakete village chairman na khara khumi gila Sansa Singtun Tangkul Kadam Now Long Chuithili Zelivai Women Union Jelivai Women Union next Jelivai Student Union nextly Tanroi Village Escort Troop Student Union. Jelivai Student Union. Jelivai Student Union. Tanroi Village, Jelivai Student Union. Tanroi Village Escort Troop. And itumle special number mida gachunga lumlau khangasaka MOC Shimrei Kilsumong Patilan music band Katao Kilsumong Patilan ya jijili karat lagi hi Kilsumong MOC please okay and oh huh Tanroi Tanroi Village Chairman Headman Tanroi Village Headman please Hilikaran oh Shaning Shilagare Mungushuma Kushungule Sare Talala Natumna Pierre Samirete Shitsange Akashide Tumkatong and Ningalaga Kuknalim Gajihi Katum Shidavos Jo Kachao reflect Kang Rock Surse Independence Kachang Kata Itum Ogatina recognize Masarang Kantanta Kipa Karunu Seaka Sali Lapai Private Lively Lapai Katsatka Kakachita Lapai Naka we Mashun suppress idly China 因为样，因为帮shop，因为宁，因为mang啦，米那个he in a vam chon cái gì ningli hai ngọc rock sơ si cả thùng xí ta cục nalim cái gì vào se cục nalim cục nalim cuk nalim. Thank you.
Itum kukup song mai ngre wuda ningishi tui hi PA Ipshan President Singtun Tangkul katam naw long le tam chika mi dele.
Hello. Ahan bada idea sheng badi what of things ngang ba yam hai bini. Adu bu ngsi di yam hai roi bi mong ta re. Hai bu ngum na what of things ngang ga ba che. Hai ni nga yam le. Adu bu yam tien na hai ko hai badi asai short speech da long speech win lo rob ne na. Mi yam si ka ba gi mong da le ra ba ko. Ahan bada अखोगी सिदा लाकपिरबा अखोगी चीफ गेस्ट अदुगा स्पेशल गेस्ट अदुगा मागी कॉलिग्स मैम लाकपिरबा खुनगी निंगथौ चेयरमैन चर्च की पास्टर टेकन्स अदुगा सोसाइटीज मैम के लीडरसिंग सिदा लाकपिरबा एजिन नाम मैम अखोई ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी रोमदगी असिंगबा थैंक यू हाइबदु हाइनिंगबने थैंक यू हाइबदु दा अते लेद्रे नुंगाइरे हाइबदु दा अते लेद्रे hai du loi mak chang re jilik to chang srai re tada athang gan tada aru isi sang khawat lai dili ji thum thai ka lai thum wi 14 na ka si ra da lai ji ba thai ka tang hu naw khang ja sa da da jili mai ti den hatu da da sa hui jil le I thum wi information khang yaw li invitation khang yaw li ma ba ka sung mung sung ma sam phang ne ji la kha lai ba ba mai ka tha la la paw phang lok la ga khu wi aw ngana Ramui Union Kadam Narong President Initiative ko laga आज program phung phang sak dele jiwang na tu sida ring phaning siji mi dele ka khni le athang hangai ta da khosa mi da te sena ki the chairman arui sir ne envelope hangran je teo ko menung ji thale I tu ni loka pi sang aur da sa jina chong thang ka ji ba nu tu mung thu bai mi ra hi na aur ta te tu ni na hai ko mu sok mu ko ko jo pha mai ru ko da ngia ji sak la ga ni je khui la ga thum yam sok ka hi ni je ta da Higda sagi ji pailak mujimne itum infali jotale laga starting a pauji salaga masata laga itum hili wat sagai ji ka pai mini me kha hi negative awungana chairman na hangwan oping na development committee na youth ping na katam oping na than laga suira kaina ka to lak ha damni la hyak hak ma da sami da khleibang igala isilong noping gala rajang kai ka tonga isi jingdun ni le da khlei ruiram ko tongwi Matuna na sinak thili ring phaning si mir sidlei next liwa masari vai sare ning mo chotlo ra ri vai sne da ning mo chotlo masari lak mara ke jila chairman hang sanga matai mi chuida aru hi sa da hili gujung lambam da kha khunu kwak la ara thing khai li la gujung khapam da le itum ring pa concert sal lang sunba mapam ram da ka itum wi khang da khlai yu wi kharnau bing na itum ni khi hang ni na jang yu wi tui ji khi mi jani na jang dai tum ni ngai bam da khlai chingam ko sali khang bam da khlai naka wa silong da khlai yu asilong da khlai awanau avunau sai korali ka jang kat ni si jang dai re ka pai ni me chingam ko sa ji kang ni ne sunscreen SPF 50 de la ma khang khar ji na tum nei sa khang mi la bang mi bang ara si prom da ko ne ni si mi ri sit le ka jang khat ni si ai re hi da se Kita halak se itum ning kham se jaga khok ka sa ka khang hin la lai phru le ka khang khok ka sam le kha ba itum wi target ta jin ji malai sam le aju mi shoi itum ka chung ka thei phe re ni si jang khat hai ru kho hira jang ga ya na tum wi khung ka ba ka ji wi le ran than mi da ka la kha mai ring hwang sa le no ji hang la ga tang hau ka khuk na lim
Okay, finally we have come to the end of the program. Alright, program matang akhui maman naga kukup atam ra lakhaira สิมิชอพุงมาตีอิทุมังชลากลับปมีกะให้เยริไซโกรุลินิงกชิพงชกดิชิตเลย Array vote of thanks Sir Ipchan na hang la khai re shung wa shung la ge na hang mi hai ra ka dot la ge na sa ko khui program kha ituma khala ge je hau ga da kho ka sa lung jili corporation ming rog la ga aju wi program hi mathala ge na success sang sa khai ra aya zimik sho ngator pung akha ra shung da ka zing hi mar tha da ro chi ne khanang la ge na le sa ye organizing committee ping host ping ran ye ka da sa rak la ga ji hi kha sai go ru na ka ji chaw wi kali sia sa mi da Kazin kamatha hi itumli mi khawai zinget kamatha ngaran mi khawai itum gadong ko kasada sharuking rum khawai da siasa kami manga jina ajwa zingan mathala againa ki ka hab ko khna malela itum mi program da cham daramaina kupsanga sa khaira kasa khawa rivrajli masod mi ngi lage itum kho kasa wi lungli rivrana itum ni zang mi lage ka ji shakhi sang rum la khaira khanga hai dak le flag hi rainbow ne hi wi khunugli zang dak le Bethlehem wi star ne hi wi symbolize Nava Kiklay Jiaka, Itum Naga now being leave, Rivrana Mohor Mihaila, Muyon Mijing, Nag Mijing, and now Mijing the Lake, Kaji, Kutamne, Kaji, 1952 Atami Pashok Kahaine, Itum Ganing Lakse, Arila Dazam Vashungrang, Zadvafura, Manganga Kivafura, Naga Kokasalaga, EU Kokasalaga Bangasinda, Zadmarum Laksa, Karatot, Kanitot Makaila, Kaji, now Mati the Hangaine, Ara Itum Kubasanga Damli, to wrap up the program, the entire program, and giving thanks God for guiding us and protecting us throughout the program, may I request
Tengsak, Unshung Sak Milo, Pasakamatamida, Mirin Sang May Okping Sak Milo, Mrs. Lila, Jenang Soda, Away Otmangali, Otmaruti, Katomda, Mapung Parkang Saga, Sir Suni, Mrs. Sir Ramting, Mrs. Kala official Saigora Ngarai ka cha no we sok mi jimi da Prijon hor khangai hor da adatan pasak matha mirin ga se sang mi warung di mai khaya khoi ji ungshung wa shung sak milo kupsa we wang sa jingre Saigora hi Tabor Gupungli, Dekmate Kang Saka, Sashap Pungshaba, Jishu Christa no Ming sing the Seasa the Gapon. Amen.
The organizing committee would like to have a photo shoot with the distinguished guests and chief guests along with the guests of honor who are seated on the tie. So kindly spend a few more minutes. Thank you. Delegates kadong kali ara ram hunung hogi jahogada kajaja ram han ko rim phamai rano photo session kui khangai bunga hunna khang rai ni laga stage willa photo session kui ni selo itum singum hiwi kapha memoria khang san lagre chain hunna khang rai ngok laga photo session no kui ngok se kala ram hunung hogi da klai sai go really ring kapha chani sari le gajila hang ni shit na ye in the end of the event. We would like to once again wish to all the delegates to go back home safely, and if there is any